English-Armenian polite requests. I would like, equals.
Ես կցանկանայի.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to level up your polite powers? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Warm-up laugh. Once I said I would bike instead of I would like, oops, but you will nail it with.
Ես կցանկանայի.
Today you'll order like a pro and keep the smiles coming. Your goal.
Ես կցանկանայի.
In minutes, you'll master one polite power phrase and use it everywhere. Polite power phrase. I would like, equals.
Ես կցանկայի.
Even kinder with please.
Խնդրում եմ.
Direct version I want, is.
Ես ուզում եմ.
Fine with friends, softer with strangers. Gesture tip. Hand on chest, slight nod, say.
Ես կցանկայի.
Cafe mini dialogue. Act it out with me, do or the star customer. You, I would like, a coffee, please.
Ես կցանկանայի սուրճ, խնդրում եմ.
Barista. Sure, this one.
Սա.
You, yes, I would like, this one.
Ես կցանկանայի սա.
Narrator. Once you said I would bike, but now you confidently say.
Ես կցանկանայի.
And everyone chuckles with you. Pronunciation rhythm. Tap the table and feel the beat. 3-beat loop.
Ես կցանկանայի.
Pause, repeat. Try with tea.
Ես կցանկանայի թեյ.
Add please.
Ես կցանկանայի թեյ, խնդրում եմ.
Drills. Quick requests. You repeat, I cheer. Go. I would like, a map, please.
Ես կցանկանայի քարտեզ, խնդրում եմ.
I would like, 2 tickets, please.
Ես կցանկանայի 2 տոմս, խնդրում եմ.
Contrast direct tone. I want, coffee.
Ես ուզում եմ սուրճ.
Negation. I do not want, sugar.
Ես չեմ ցանկանում շաքար.
Point and order. I would like, this.
Ես կցանկանայի սա.
Culture tip. Yerevan manners. Tiny words, big kindness. In markets and cafes, starting with.
Ես կցանկանայի.
Shows warmth, add.
Խնդրում եմ.
For bonus smiles. Ordering Korovets.
Ես կցանկանայի խորոված, խնդրում եմ.
Quick quiz. Fast brain check. Do got this. How do you say I would like, politely in Armenian? Answer.
Ես կցանկանայի.
True or false? That phrase means I demand. Answer. False. Odd one out, please.
Ես կցանկանայի.
Hello. The odd one is hello. Challenge. Make it real today. Start 3 real requests with.
Ես կցանկանայի.
Tea.
Թեյ.
Coffee.
Սուրճ.
Or this.
Սա.
Record yourself, then compare to the rhythm loop. Smile each time service feels smoother. Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. Great job, polite Armenian unlocked. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Ես կցանկանայի.
With.
Խնդրում եմ.
And you'll shine in every cafe. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English-Armenian lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.